Now let's look at the scenario where we want to move stock from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory. So the first thing we'll do is we'll download the on-hand quantity from the sub-inventory we wish to move the stock from. Select our organization, then the sub-inventory. We'll also choose level of serial and lot, and the reason for this is we want to do the transaction, so we need the lot and serial information. We want to set our transaction type, and we also want to set the sub-inventory we wish to move the goods to. So we choose the sub-inventory transfer. Now we can either type in the sub-inventory 2 that we wish to put the stock into, or we can use the user form to select it from the list of values. In this case we'll choose the consumable sub-inventory. And we could either put that in the defaults or pull that down to include all the records. Since it's a small volume set, we'll just pull this down here. And you can see it has the quantities that we wish to transact. And we simply upload the transaction. And it's that easy to move stock between sub-inventories. Of course we want to refresh our transactions just to make sure that the transactions have taken place.